So, period. Period. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lydia Stanley, and if you're not new, thank you so much, Butterfly, for coming back to my video today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this beautiful hair from none other than CelieHair. I'm going to be showing you their 14-inch short curly wig. This hair is so beautiful, it's so easy to install. I didn't do anything to this hair, straight out of the box, and it looks so good. Even the edges, I just only, you know, plucked a little bit around the baby hair area to make it look more natural, but I didn't touch any other part. Once again, it's so soft, like baby soft. Hey, I love it so much. I love this entire look so much. This is the perfect summer wig, the perfect getaway wig. You don't have to straighten nothing, just put your small got to be glue spray. Where is it? So B is it. Just put your small got to be glue spray and you're good to go on like the edges, and it's laid pretty flat. I'll show you how I did everything in the video, okay? In case you do end up enjoying watching this video, you already know what to do. Give me a thumbs up and let's get into this video where I show you more about CelieHair. Opening the box to what you get when you order your wig from CelieHair. This cap, first of all, this wig cap, I love it so much. I have two of these because I've worked with them twice. It is such good quality and it's perfect for natural hair. There are a lot of stuff in here. Oh, don't fall down. Package is always like amazing. Can you see? So there's like edge brush and a tail comb. There's a headband and it has butterflies on it. Oh, you know how I love butterflies. They also will send you clips for your. They'll send you lashes, wig caps, and this silk bonnet. So this is how the wig comes straight out of the box. I've not even done anything at all to this wig, and just opening it up, like, it's always so well packaged with CelieHair. They have this, of course, the tissue, and then I'll just go ahead and take out this. That is so pretty. The coral pattern, it is so pretty. Wow, this is their 14-inch short curly wig, and it has a 13x4 lace front. This part came from the company. I don't know if you can even see it. There's a part right here. It has 4 combs, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the stitches inside are so neat as well. I just took off my wig cap, my bonnet, so let's put this on my head. I'm not even going to wear a wig cap, and I've not cut off any lace yet. The hairline is not pre-plucked, but it's okay, and you already know I do not like to do any extraness to my wig. If you see me looking this way, there's a mirror here. So this hair is so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. I hope you can see. Once again, it's 14 inches, and then this is the part that came. This is not where I'll usually part my hair, but I'm willing to just, you know, let's install this wig straight out of the box and see if, like, if you're a beginner, how easy this would be for you. This is what the hairline is looking like. See, it's not pre-plucked, but it's not so bad either. There's like a bit of a fade. I'm thinking these baby hairs here. So I've gone ahead to cut off the lace, and and I'm just going to put it on my head finally. Now let's start to install this wig. We how tight this wig feels. Let me tuck in on my hair. How tight this wig feels, I really don't even see the need to honestly do what's it called, a whole frontal laying and stuff. I might though, I just might. But I'll be using my Got2b glue as always. I really want to try that ebony lace glue. So if you know anyone that sells here in Nigeria, please hook a girl up, okay? We just want to spray that down, let it dry, and then brought out one baby hair here, and I'm just going to go ahead and use like my eyebrow area and just kind of cut it that way. Hopefully it's not too short. I've already gotten my concealer on my palm here, so I'll try to not rub it in my hair. Wow. Yay. Please go back in. After applying that wax, I'm just going to make this really flat. I'm going to apply the foundation, the concealer right now to the pattern of my hair. That's how you get it to have that like nice look, even without it's like I just, you know, poofed it out. 14 inches once again. This is how it looks like without any product in it. Right here I just have conditioner and water, something you always need for curly hair. And I'm just going to, I don't want to really drench the hair, but I want to wake up its curls. I think I'm a bit too heavy-handed with the water, but that's okay. Babe, I need your help because I can't stop recording and I can't remove my leg from the socket and float the comb. There's something I used that last time. I thought I brought it here, but I didn't. It's by that carton, please. It's just slim and transparent. Helmut, yes, it's in like a rubber. Which carton? Just on the floor there, where those perfumes are. Thank you. It does? It's like one you've had before. Thank you. Thank you. You deserve a hotel. I do, bruh. So this is the Afro-G styling mousse. I'm having a bit of shedding as I'm doing this, but not too much. This is what the hair now looks like when it's wet, and 14 inches is coming like, you know, there on my body, and the hair is so soft. It feels so natural, so nice, so amazing. So I'll just go ahead and get ready. and I'll probably see you when I'm done getting ready, okay? Well, so far so good. I'm loving this hair. Like my husband said, I've had one like this before, but it wasn't even this soft. It wasn't this soft at all. So my loves, the hair is all done. I'm done doing my makeup and getting ready. If you like to see a tutorial to this look, it will be on my Instagram, Lydia Stanley, okay? This hair was so easy to install. Don't even get me started. I didn't have to do like all the edges. I left the other sides like that. I just put got to be. I focused on the part basically. I had to, you know, pluck a little bit of the edges here just so it can look a bit natural, but other than that, like, this hair was so easy. It's super soft. This is what it looks like when it's dried down. You can see how defined all the curls are, and it's just a very pretty look. Let me know what you think about this wig, honestly, in the comments. Like, is this something you see yourself, you know, getting? Is it your style? This hair is so beautiful. I'm definitely going to wear this a whole lot, especially now in the summer. This is the kind of hair, even in rainy like period, peradventure you're in the rain and you get, you know, downpour on you, it's just going to make your curls pop. Thank you so much for watching this video and for sticking up until this time. I'm going to see all you amazing butterflies in my next video. Okay, bye.